Are you still using Control plus F to search for data in your workbook? Then trust me, I will show you the most powerful trick you have ever seen. Let's say you have a workbook with multiple sheets. In this case, we have customer feedbacks from the United States, Europe, and Asia. All right, now stay with me. In this sheet right here, I want to be able to insert a text string, such as great, and I automatically get all the rows from all the worksheets that contain that specific text string. I know. You think that's impossible, but we made it work. First, we insert the if-error function. Next, we insert the filter function. Open the parenthesis, and here is where the magic starts. For the array, we are not going to simply select an array, but we are going to create a new one directly within the formula by using the vstack function. Since we formatted our data in the other worksheets as tables, we can directly use the table names. Those we have USA, Europe, and Asia. We conclude our formula by combining the isNumber function with the search function. Here we define the cell that we want to use as a search box. Then, for the within text part, we have to use again the vstack function just like before. And finally, we type what should happen when nothing has been found. And there you go. This is fantastic. Now we can directly type in whatever text string we like and we get back all the rows from every worksheet that contains that text string. Just think about the power of this and imagine what else you can do with it. Oh, and don't forget to share this post and follow us for